This one must be before the street, before this. You work on the substring 03 already, you already had an exception.
Oh,
Move this one before it. Okay, one moment. This should be working. Okay. Okay, you continue, okay? Next one, Harrison. Harrison, your turn. Sherry and Kingston, you get started, okay?
Yeah.
You know what's wrong with you? This is 03.
Wait, but isn't
You
it?
use 4 later to compare 3 later, it's of course wrong. Then you do not take care of the shorter length strings. You did not take care of the shorter length strings. So when the string only 1 or actually 2, you are in trouble.
Wait, but isn't it like, I don't get it. Doesn't like it just, if it's like one letter, it jumps to here?
Who said that?
Because
Why you need to jump to there? Why you would jump to there? Who said that? Who said it would jump to there?
because like it's not equal to like this.
It's not equal to there, but this 03 already too long. It doesn't have a 03. You only have 1 data. How come you have a 03?
Wait, is it str.l?
I don't know. That's your problem. If you are not don't know about the language or function, you should not be here. You are not ready yet. Right? You go back to Solomon, too far away. You completely forget it. Next one, let me have Sherry. You have to remember it, okay? If you don't remember it, that just means that you are undertrained. You are undertrained. I don't know what's happening. Maybe you are actually just travel around. You haven't focused on coding. That's a problem. Tell your mom, don't believe you are wrong everywhere. You don't have that kind of time to do it. Capital T. Okay, one moment. This problem saying that actually the appearance of the XTR XYG and actually the SYG is not directly preceded by a dot. Okay, so what you want to do is like you want to find a if there is a SYG, then the SYG is the first one or the previous one not equals that. Okay, so what you are saying is okay. Okay, your problem is okay. Next one.
Okay.
Let me have Kristen, your turn.
Okay.
Okay, go back to the first one. Yeah, this is okay. Next one.
Yes.
This part are easy, so just keep clicking next. Let me see. If I see something wrong, I'll tell you.
Okay.
Next one. Next one.
Yeah.
Okay, work on this one. Okay. Next one, let me have Stephen. Stephen, your turn. One moment. This one, you are going to use the STR lens many times, and you don't want to type it for so many times. So it's actually better just to declare it as STR lens. And then this one, if it is W less than that, you do that. And this one is the middle part. You do W minus 1. This one, you do the last one, you do W minus 1. This will be a better way to solve it, okay? Because you would use the W so many times. Okay, next one, Harrison, your turn. Harrison, your turn. Harrison, you need to remember everything, okay?
Okay.
Come to here and tell me what's the STR, the length, the STR. You still struggling with that. You cannot come to coding back, okay? You are not solving the problem. You still asking the problem of the syntax of the language. That's not ready yet. I told you last week already. I don't know what happened to your mom. Force you to take the advanced coding course, but bring you around for traveling. It's totally wrong. This course is not as easy as you don't need practice. You make sure you remember everything, okay?
Mm.
You are okay, but you need to train yourself harder. You only have time to come here every week. That's not enough. And I don't trust the homework, okay? Even though everyone submit the homework, but many of you just copy from ChatGPT. I know. It doesn't show me how good you are in coding. So those are just for those people who are honest. I don't care you work on how much you work on homework, but I do care how you work on the coding practice. Because from here, I know how good you are. You make sure you remember, okay? No one is forcing you. Take your time, but you have to speed up. You need to do it every day, okay? Not just come here every Friday, and then next week I forget everything. That's not coding, okay? Some of the function is longer, you probably need to copy to BlueJ to run it, okay?
Okay.
You keep practicing, okay? Next one, let me have Sherry. Sherry, your turn. Okay, good job. This time you already showed on this one. Next one more problem. Next one. Next one. Okay, work on this one. Good job. Very good. Okay. Next one, let me have Kingston. Kingston, your turn. For every language, everyone go to solo learn first. At that stage, you must make sure your language is proficient. Okay, you really know the language. At least you know what's going on. And then come to coding back. We are practicing the coding practice. Next one, go. Next one. Next one. Next one. So easy. You hit go and then next one. Okay. Hit go. Make sure it's all pass. Hit go. Then before you go to the next one. Hit go.
Oh,
Before you
sorry,
go to
sorry,
the
sorry.
next one. Go back. Yeah. If it pass and it is short, I usually no problem, okay?
Mm.
But you need to hit go, then I know it pass. Next one.
Okay.
Next one. Next one is short enough. Next one. This one, okay, next one. Okay, work on this one. Okay. Good job.
Okay.
Next one, let me have Stephen. Stephen, your turn. This one, they don't tell you to minus one. Why do you need to have the last one? Minus one.
Is it
It's
not?
the last plus middle plus last. But middle, actually, they don't need a middle. It's a whole string. They don't tell you to do middle. It's a T, C, A, T, T. Your middle is wrong. What are you
Oh
doing?
yeah. Yeah.
You just str, create trouble, right?
Yeah.
One more. Okay, good job. This one, Harrison, your turn. Okay, Harrison, you stop, okay?
Hmm.
You go back to coding back. Work on one more problem. Now,
Okay.
next one. And then the solo learn, you use your extra time to work on it, okay?
Okay.
You still need to work on it because you need to get more familiar with it, with the language. You are undertrained. What is that?
Hmm?
What is int?
Oh, and
So what is a string 0n?
Huh?
What is a string 0n?
What do
String
you mean?
substring 0n. What is the string substring 0n?
From like the first letter
Uh,
all the way until the nth letter.
okay, and then what else you want to do
And then I add like all the letters after n.
after n?
Yeah. Because
Okay.
n gets removed.
Okay. Okay. Next one, you work on it, okay? I'll come back to check.
Okay.
Next one, let me have a Sherry. Sherry, your turn. Okay. This one. This one, let me change it a little bit, okay? You compare, okay? Okay?
Okay.
A different way to write it. I don't know whether it's better or not, but this one is easier to do coding, right?
Yes.
Next one, let me have Kirsten. Kirsten, your turn. Okay. A little bit complicated, okay?
Yeah.
Go up. You did not check this. You did not check this no element and one element case.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's actually work on this one, okay? I'll help you to solve this problem in different way, okay?
Okay.
You will eventually solve the problem because this boundary condition, usually you should be able to handle it. But now let me try to help you to solve this problem in different way. A little bit too long. So let's go back to the problem. Can you move up a little bit? I need to read the
Yep.
problem. Yes. So you say that one immediately followed by 3 in an array, if it is a lucky one, unlucky one, okay. So you are looking for a pattern of 1, 3, right?
Hmm.
This is an unlucky one. Return true if the unlucky one in the first 2 or last 2 position, okay. First 2 or the last 2 position. So you have the 1, 3, 1, 3, or 1, 3. These are the 3 only possibility you may have.
Hmm.
Right?
Yeah.
These are the only 3 paths. And then if you are only 1 element or you are 0 element, then there's no possibility to check 1, 3.
Hmm.
So what you want to do is you don't have the. So here you just need to add this nums balance less than 2. Then you will return You want it to be unlucky to be true, so lucky should be false, right? So you
Yeah.
add this one. And then the next of them, you actually check. Check zero and check this, check zero and this case and this case, you don't need to check the length, okay? Only this one, you need to check the length. Okay?
Yeah.
So here you only thing that you need to check right here is okay. I think not much better, but it's okay. You can just check 1313 and 13 pattern. That's another way to do it without using the function. Okay. Calling the function, you will have function transfer that will be longer, but not much improvement. Really, your program already quite short. Okay, this one go back to Stephen. This one, you actually, what are you doing? Here is the A that greater than that, A less than this is B and B. This is the A. This one is greater equals 10. This one is greater equals 10. This one is greater equals 10. Less than equals 20. It's within the
Oh.
range.
Oh, yeah. What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? What's this? This statement?
Yeah, what's
Isn't
that?
the
What's that?
you mean this
Yeah,
This
what's this? What is this?
The-
Does this really mean?
the or statement?
Or statement, what's the A or B or C? What's this? What are you trying to do?
Oh,
Read the problem carefully. Stop. Read the problem carefully. Don't panic. Who say you can write this in Java? That's not okay in Java. That's okay in Python, but not okay in Java. You still struggle with grammar, okay? Number one, this one you don't need to have the else. You ask for trouble, you just copy the first line for 3 times, that will solve the problem. You just copy the first one for 3 times, that will solve the problem. You don't really need to have making yourself in trouble. Basically, this problem, you just write this one, copy 3 times. And then change this to B and C, that's fine, good enough. You are way under trained, also forget another grammar, okay? You are also in big trouble. Next one, let me have Sherry. Sherry, your turn. I'm sorry, next one should be Harrison. Harrison, your turn. Harrison, your turn.
I did this one.
One moment. This one you are going to use the lens for many times. So then you don't need to type the str lens for so many times, okay?
Okay.
You just use a W for the lens. One more problem. One more problem. Why here -1?
Because you I know.
Because you are wrong.
Yeah.
So why do you need this?
Because I can't just have one, because I can't, for the strings that are longer than 3 letters.
Because this is bullshit.
Hmm.
This is not different from str. This is the same as str. You write this for what?
Yeah, I'm not. Oh yeah.
So this is a bullshit, right?
Yeah.
Oh, one moment.
Wait, sorry, Dr. Joe.
Yes.
After the arrays, is it logic or?
Level 1, any something with 1, you finish it first. If you run
Okay.
out of 1, you go to 1 or 2. If you run
Okay.
out of ones.
Okay, thank you.
Next one, Sherry. Sherry, your turn. You didn't check that how many big one you can use. First, you need to know how many big one you can use. How many file that you can use. You didn't check that, okay? So here, the big one you can choose, let's actually call it B, okay? Let's call it B. So your B should be equals the minimum of distance. Once is your big or your goal divided by 5. So your A should be the big times 5 as the remaining that you need to have. So if A greater than that, you actually is returning -1 and
Oh, the min dots in the semicolon.
minimum. I have a extra type.
The-
Yeah,
Yes.
that makes sense.
See, that
So
makes
you forget the first line.
I see.
Okay, next one, Kirsten, your turn. move your zero in front. Your logic is wrong. Somehow your logic is wrong. Not only the order is wrong. First one, you need to handle the zero first. So either u as less than equal to or date less than equals to. This not probably no not. Okay, you see, I just watch. I know you are wrong there. Okay. So you continue logic one. Okay, go to logic one. Oh, you want to show me the problem? Okay, show me where you are.
Oh, sorry, I was muted.
Yeah, whatever.
Let me show you the.
This one.
Do
Okay,
you-
go. 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 Okay, go. 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 This one let me check. Okay. Usually, this one we talk
Oh, this-
about it
oh, I
already.
think
Yeah,
we-
we talk about it already.
This one. This one.
Should be fine. Okay, go. Should be okay. Go. Okay, okay. You run it out. Okay.
Yeah.
Next one, you continue the logic one, and then next one will be warm up two. Okay.
Yeah.
Next one, let me go back to Stephen. Stephen, your turn. Stephen, your turn. Number one, you must remember the language well. Okay. If you are not good at the language, you must practice every time. Okay. Don't come
Okay.
here and then show that you don't remember anything. That's not okay. I will waste your time and waste my time. You have a semicolon here. This is unneeded. I don't know what you are doing, but just look at it. Your code, you have only one if you are wrong. Because you need to deal with two cases that actually is string that actually is starting at one. Yeah, DEL. Okay. And this one zeros 4. Not sure what this one is. You want to delete the DEL. And then you keep the first 4. I'm not sure what are you doing.
Oh, yeah. Oops. Your first letter, you just give it up. You may have
ADEL, you need to delete this, but your A need to be kept. One moment. This one you want to check if there is a DEL. Okay. This is okay, but a little bit too long. You actually write this one a little bit too long. Use the substring 01 is not as good as the use the capital F0. It's shorter to type. This one unnecessary str length. Unnecessary. And you can check the substring one to check it. That's a shorter way to do it. Next one, Harrison, your turn. Hi, Harrison, your turn.
Okay. I did this one.
Go back. I didn't watch it. Okay, next one.
And I also did this one.
Next one.
And I did this one.
Okay, next one. You know what's wrong?
I'm figuring it out.
Number one,
Oh, dot equals. Oh yeah, I forgot.
number two, this is not needed.
Okay.
Number three, this whole thing is a bad way to write it. Okay,
Okay.
this one, Sherry, your turn. Okay, good job. This one, let me have Kingston. Kingston, your turn. Okay, stop. This one, when you are not asleep, if you are is asleep, will you answer their phone call or not?
No.
No, so you must be not asleep, you will answer the phone call, right?
Yeah.
So only is you actually is not asleep. And
Oh, it's and
mm, mm, normally if you are not asleep, you in all cases,
oh, is it
in
morning or not morning?
actually say that is mom, and it said that in the morning only, so is morning and is mom. Here we have or. Now is morning. Is morning and the mom you will answer. And not is morning you may answer, right?
Yeah.
Okay, your logic need to improve, okay?
Yeah.
Look like you actually struggle with logic. Let's go back to Stephen, last round, okay? This is wrong. You know what's wrong?
Nope.
No? Then you are in big trouble. Substring 0 means from the first leg, from index 0 to the end of the string is the whole thing. You compare the whole thing with the O. That's wrong. And you repeat it, so I say you will have big trouble because you don't know what is substring. It's one number. The way you are writing it, you will go to the dead end. Because you do not care about the length of 0 and 1 and 2. So here you already got you out for this. They are exception already. You don't care about how long it is, and you already checked that if there's a 0, 1, 1, 2, they may not have because they only have one letter or no letter. You are in big trouble.
Yeah.
Rewrite everything. This doesn't work.
should I do the string and compare the chart and return it?
I don't know
by
what
one?
you are doing.
Yeah.
I don't know what you are trying to do. What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to compare the first one first. Wait, no. I'll check for the length first and then compare.
Check the first length first.
Yeah, if it's like 0, I'll just return nothing.
You just do it. I see what are you trying to do. I don't know what you are trying to do. You just write whatever you want to do. Just do it. Okay. You completely don't know what you are doing right here, okay? I'm not sure you know what you are doing right here. So this one, you have to work on it later, next week, okay? I don't want to give you the answer yet. Just refresh it. You completely don't know what you are doing. You have multiple errors, more than one error, maybe 10 errors in there. Come back next week to work on this one, okay? Your problem is that your character use equals. You don't check the length of the string, you have multiple errors, at least 3, 4 errors. So I cannot fix you right now. Next one, let me have Harrison.
I did this one.
Next one. Okay, you still struggle with the Java grammar, okay?
Okay.
That's not a good sign. Next one, Sherry, your turn.
Okay. I have a few questions for you, teacher.
Mhm. Show me.
Mhm.
This one, okay. This one, okay. This one. This one, okay. Okay, this one, okay. This one, okay. This one, okay. This one, okay. This one, okay.
I finished filling that.
Okay, okay. Congratulations, you are done, okay? You don't need to do practice anymore, but you can choose some other topic to work on it, okay?
Yeah, okay.
If you continue want to work on Python, you can work on W3 progress or work on Python project, okay?
Okay.
Okay, good night then. Next one, let me have Easton, your turn. Easton, your turn. Last one. Okay, go.
Wrong though.
You don't know what's wrong?
I'm trying to figure it out.
Okay, let's read it. Okay, I'll have you to start this one. A, B, C return to two or more than have the same rightmost digit. Two or more than have the same rightmost digit. Okay. You have make it too complicated. Okay, so let's actually do here it say that the two or more that has same rightmost digit. That just means that some of them have the rightmost digit. Okay, you actually overinterpret it. You don't need to count how many of them are there.
Oh.
So what you need to do, A0 equals A modulo 10, integer B0 equals, so that's a B bit 0, digit 0 equals B the modulo 10. You just need to have these three numbers. C0 equals, so these are the three rightmost digits. And you say that you have two or more the same. So you just need to have return A0 equals B0. These are two are the same. Or A0 equals C0. Or B0 equals C0. That's it. Right? Your logic, you're confused by two or more. Two or more just means that some of them are the same.
Oh. Oh, I thought I meant two or more pairs. Oh, okay.
Two or
Okay.
more pairs, you already say that it already three are the same. Your logic
Oh,
is
yeah,
wrong.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Right? Am I correct?
Yeah.
So you overinterpret it. That's the problem. Okay.
Yeah.
You're trying to count in the number of pairs. That's wrong.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, anyway, everyone's doing okay so far, but some of them, some of you are actually behind. You have to make yourself more practice, okay? If you are under trained, you can go to the W3 source to write more program every week, okay? If you just come here every week to work on the practice, you will show me your shortness. for not remember this function, not remember that, not remember a lot of things, then you are not qualified for answering question in coding bed, okay? You are still behind. Okay, good night then, bye-bye.